Come with me as I dive into the incredible stories of wildlife making a comeback against all odds. Wildlife conservation is one of the most pressing issues of our time, and yet it's easy to get caught up in the doom and gloom of it all. But today, I want to take a different approach. I want to share with you some of the most incredible stories of species that have bounced back from the brink of extinction. And I promise you, it will be an inspiring ride. Habitat loss is one of the biggest threats facing wildlife today. When we destroy or degrade natural habitats, we displace animals and destroy the delicate balance of entire ecosystems. Poaching is also devastating for species populations. Then, of course, there's climate change, which is altering the very fabric of our planet, making it harder and harder for many species to adapt and survive. But even with all these challenges, some genuinely remarkable conservation success stories are out there. And I think what's important to recognize is that conservation is not just about saving individual species. It's about preserving the entire web of life. When we protect one species, we also protect the ecosystem it inhabits and all the other species that call that ecosystem home. It's a complex issue, but one thing is clear. We need to take action, and we need to take it now. So let's examine some of these incredible comeback stories and see what we can learn from them. The gray wolf, for example, is a fantastic story of recovery. A few decades ago, thanks to concerted conservation efforts, only a handful of wolves were left in the lower 48 states. They migrated from Canada, were reintroduced to Yellowstone National Parks in central Idaho, and made a remarkable comeback. Thriving wolf populations exist today in states like Yellowstone, Wisconsin, and California. The wolves have benefited, and the entire ecosystem has been revitalized. Another great example is the California condor. These incredible birds were once on the brink of extinction, with only 22 individuals left in the wild. But thanks to a dedicated conservation program, they've made an incredible recovery. Today, over 500 California condors are flying free in the skies. And then there's the story of the bald eagle. These iconic birds were on the endangered species list just a few decades ago. Still, they've made a remarkable comeback thanks to a cooperative effort to ban DDT and protect their habitats. Today, they're thriving in many parts of the United States. But one of the most dramatic cases of recovery I've come across is the story of the black-footed ferret. These tiny carnivorous mammals were once considered extinct, but in 1981, a small population was discovered in Wyoming. Thanks to a dedicated conservation effort, they've been brought back from the brink, and today they're thriving in the wild. This incredible comeback is not just a testament to the power of conservation, it's also a reminder of species' impact on their ecosystems. The black-footed ferret is crucial in controlling plague outbreaks in prairie dog populations, which has a ripple effect throughout the entire ecosystem. It's a powerful reminder that recovery is possible and that we can make a real difference with joint effort and dedication. So, let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible stories we've heard today, and remember that every single species, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a vital role in the delicate balance of our planet. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the fantastic world of wildlife comebacks. If you've got a favorite wildlife comeback story, let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more inspiring content, check out my other videos. I'll see you in the following video. Subscribe, share, and like.